Today, we're going to show you how to replace the screen on a Google Pixel 8 step by step. Before opening the device, it's best to apply a bit of heat to soften the adhesive. Begin by carefully prying around the screen. You'll want to do this gently and slowly to avoid damaging the screen further. With the screen lifted, let's move on to the internals. Start by removing the lower bracket which holds the screen connector in place. After that, gently disconnect the LCD from the mainboard. The next step is removing the fingerprint sensor. Apply some heat or isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. Gently remove the fingerprint sensor from the old screen and transfer it to the new one, replacing the pre-installed sensor with the original. Clean the frame of any old adhesive. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Once the LCD is connected and secure, power on your device to make sure everything is working properly before putting the bracket back in. Make sure to add new adhesive tape or glue to ensure the screen stays securely in place. Finally, click the screen back into. The screen replacement is now complete.